Hello, Michelle. You're the last person I expected to see here.
And you're the last person I'm supposed to be seeing right now. Aren't you supposed to be
in jail? The place where your husband put me. Because he couldn't control me.
I'm confused. What?
Let me simplify it for you. Marcus bring me in politics. And because him couldn't control me like a puppet for doing like a fraud movements them set me up.
This man's life just get better and better and better.
And I guess you knew nothing about this, right?
I absolutely resent that.
Come on, Michelle. We're talking about the love of your life.
All this time, my husband has been in politics. Have you ever seen me make a public appearance with him?
Anyway, Michelle, where's your husband?
Your guess is as good as mine. I thought I would see him here, but guess we're both surprised.
Look, Michelle, I need to find Marcus. I might have Simone and my child.
What?
You really don't know who you're married to, don't you?
Trust me, I do.
Well, since you know, you need to go up on your phone, call him and get him here.
Listen, this is something that's between the brothers. I don't want to get in the middle of it.
You're already in the middle like Michelle.
Excuse me?
What do you mean, excuse you?
Listen to me, Carlton Wallace. I have put up with a lot of bullshit with your brother because I'm married to him. But you see, you know, I don't have to answer to you. I haven't seen or interacted with you in 18 years. So you don't get the chance to come and bully me around. If you want to know where your brother is, call him yourself.
Look, Michelle, your husband have my woman and Pitney. The least I can do is help me get him here.
And what makes you think I care?
18 years ago you did.